Okay, Sunday, January 15th, and we are getting ready to go on our cross-country trip to Quartzsite, Arizona, and Superstition Mountain. Stopping over in Atlanta, NIRVC in the morning. Well, this afternoon we're going to spend the night, and they're going to do a little adjustment on our furnace. They serviced 2-3 weeks ago, and it's not lighting, so they said they'd look at it. Hopefully they got parts if they needed to fix it, because if it's real cold, we'll need that furnace. Otherwise, we'll be running our generator a lot. But anyway, we'll make do. Kathy's visiting Jenna over there, and then she's got to bring the Jeep around, and we will be hooking up and heading out. We have cabin fever, so it's time to get on the road. We will be taking I-20 straight across, stopping in Dallas to, I think there's a presidential library there, I think, that Kathy wants to visit. And then we're going to Tucson. So I think actually we're going to be dry camping for about 4 days, going cross country, staying in Cracker Barrels, Walmarts, or truck stops, or whatever have you, until we hit our first RV park, which is, I think it's the KOA in Tucson. And then we're going on to Quartzsite. We'll be dry camping there for 3 or 4 days, and then we'll head over to Superstition Mountain, which is the other side of Phoenix, and visit with Brenda and Ron Schultz, Kathy's best friend from Wisconsin. They go down there every winter to winter as snowbirds to get out of the ice and snow in Wisconsin. So we'll be staying there. Well, we'll be staying in an RV park. We'll be visiting them for, I don't know, 5 or 6 days. And then we'll be heading back, meandering through Texas and going out to South Padre Island or wherever. I don't know. Kathy's got it all mapped out. I don't know. I'm guessing probably about 6 weeks. Might be a little longer, a little shorter. Who knows? All right. Let's get the show on the road. On I-20. Cruising to Atlanta. Pretty quiet and peaceful. Okay. About ready to get off. It's like ETA at about 5 o'clock. That's 69 more miles. But we're getting off our I-20 to hit some back roads. Okay. Just got to NIRVC in Lawrenceville, Georgia, which I guess you could call Atlanta, in our site, which is site number 1. So we're ready for in the morning. They have more motorhomes here than they know what to do with, and most of them are here to get worked on. This is nothing. They got a big lot on the side back there, several acres, and it's just packed full of service vehicle motorhomes waiting to be serviced. So anyway, National Indoor RV Centers. I guess Kathy and I will walk around, get a little exercise, and then get something to eat. Hopefully we'll get this furnace fixed in the morning and be on our way out west. That's just an American dream, isn't it?
2021
Tradition.
760.
They must be crazy.
Must be crazy.
They are crazy. Yep.
There's a view. Is that somebody?
That's here for work, I think, babe.
Oh.
You want to go in
I
it?
don't know. It looks new. I mean, that's got a.
819 for that one. Is that a dream? How about that? American Dream, 450 horse. Kathy just makes herself at home.
Typical American coach.
Yeah, you can't get through.
Roomy entrance.
It's funny how they just leave everything. The gates open and all the motorhomes open.
Yeah, that's great.
It's only 450 horse, which is kind of
Wow.
silly. Here, all the chairs are crooked. You can't see because the light's not good.
Gosh, why do they have? Is that a leg of a chair?
It's off. It looks like something broke, doesn't it?
Yes, it does.
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
not touching it.
No. Brand new one.
Half and half.
Yeah. Just crazy.
That is.
Way too much money. No, that
No,
was
he's
out
down
in
in Texas.
Arizona. Was it
Usually
Texas?
she's Texas.
That's a nice color though. I like that, but not for the way they've increased their prices by 30%. Now here's another. There's a Tiffin. Here's a Cornerstone. No, a Riata, the entry level for $475. Okay. All right. It's crazy how the prices have just gotten all out of hand, and pretty soon, when the economy takes a downward turn, the interest rates go real high, and all these dealers are stuck with the big inventory, you'll see prices come down substantially. I think, right? I don't know. They must be working on Sunday. The Airstream trailer's been there. There's people with the car behind it. They've been here the last couple of times they've been here, right? It's like they just come here and stay. Well, I know they don't work on Airstreams. They must just free camping, or that must be an employee. Man, the airport's right over there. You see the planes coming in. Oh, it's a fancy red sports car though. Supra. Man, I like that. Yep. Well, they've kind of thinned them out back on this backside. It's funny, these airplanes just keep coming in. Small airplane next to the big 4-lane highway out there. All right. Navion's nice. Yeah, just like the view. I don't know whether it's picking up all these airplanes. Small Piper Cubs coming in for landing. Yeah.
Wow, this is really cute.
Yeah, it's cleared all this out. This is their detailing rig, washing stations and stuff. And it has, but look over there where they still got all the parking for all the service vehicles that are waiting to be worked on. How many they got over there? They've already got 35 or 40 over there, I would guess. And plus all these, plus inside of all the storage where they charge people to store them. So yeah, Integra. It's funny. These you can't park over here unless it's service. Of course, we're waiting for service, but these are long-term service vehicles. Yeah, we couldn't find a parking place last time. We came in here and backed in, and we told them where we parked. Oh, you got to move from there. That's not for you to park in. Another one. 4 or 5 planes already in about 5 minutes. They are lining them up for landing, aren't they? Yeah, they got the kitty or the doggy pen in the back. Man, I don't know how many they got here, but there's a bunch just waiting to be worked on. This is almost like an Accolade, isn't it? Lamont.
Well, that's their
Yeah. All the stuff on the windshields are people's names for their work. London Air. Yeah, that's pretty bad. Brought it here November 28. Same service advisor we have, Dan Phillips, still sitting right here. Of course, they'll say it's waiting on parts. There's another plane. Yep, that's a bad thing. Unless you push it. Of course, a lot of these people, it's just free storage for them, I guess.
Yeah.
There's another one. Drop date was when on this one. Drop off. There's no September 6th. Still sitting here.
Wow.
Man, drop off there. Well, what they do is they order parts and park, and then they park motorhomes out here and wait for the parts to come in, supposedly. Huh. Right. There's one just dropped off, January 14. Dan, service food and refrigerator. Keep plugged in. Drop date September 20. Wonder why they keeping the food and refrigerator that long. They're recording us. You have been trespassing. You are trespassing. There was no gate. You are trespassing. I'd like to hear that again and record it. Please leave the area immediately. You have been recorded. Yeah, okay. That looks like is that a cornerstone there? No. Service advisor. That's an anthem. I don't. It doesn't. It's a drop off, but it doesn't say. They don't have the dates on those. This is crazy. There's Dan again. 10/19/22. Keep plugged in. All right. I can't imagine bringing your motor. Yeah, if they're not using them, it's the wintertime. They don't care. They just bring them here and leave them. And but still, to bring something in and leave it for a few months is kind of crazy to get fixed. But then they have to go order parts. A lot of times they're back ordered and they just leave them here. I guess it's free storage. I don't know. They might charge you so much a day to store them. I don't know. That was October 12th drop off. Man, that's an Aspire. Okay, we have been recorded, babe. You are trespassing. Please leave the area. Very friendly recording there. Yeah, it's Carolina Gamecock. He's crooked. I don't know. Looks like the suspension is way off whack on that one. He needs to get straightened out, doesn't he? Yeah. November 11, they left the light on it, run the battery down or whatever, eh? What's wrong with that one? Needs a body shop. Probably banged up in the back end. Who knows? Dan has a lot of them out here, doesn't he? November 3rd. All right, babe. Man, these airplanes just keep coming. That's like the 10th one I've seen out here. Landing one right behind the other. Well, Quick Relief Solutions. Hey, it's just a porta potty. Yeah, over there. I remember back when Johnny Carson was popular. You remember the porta potty company? They called it "Here's Johnny." Here's Johnny, and Johnny Carson sued them, and they had to quit using it because it was his famous intro. Here's Johnny, and yeah, it was a porta potty company that used that slogan. Here's Johnny. Yep, that's an elegant lady. Prevost Liberty Coach. That's a nice one. Yeah, that's a bad thing. You don't have a wide open space when you're looking down the road. Noisy highway out there. Well, babe. Yeah. You being recorded?
Scared me.
I think it'll get you. A Quest? I don't know.
It's got a nice window.
Turn some lights on, babe.
It's nice and
You like it?
I don't know how.
Hey, here's the light. Main ceiling. They got them turned off.
Wow. It's got a lot of nice cabinets.
Mm-hmm. It is. This smells good, Mercedes.
Look at all these drawers.
Yeah. Can't see in the dark. Oh well.
Two
An Integra Quest. That one's got a brand new paper tag on it. We got it stacked in there. Okay. Well, let's go get something to eat, watch a little TV, warm up our motorhome. What you say? Why would they have this porta potty sitting on the corner? That's the stupidest looking thing I've ever seen. With a big, they got nice inside bathrooms. Oh, it might be a requirement for them to get a building permit, because it looks like they're doing a lot of clearing over there. And you know, you go to the county to get a building permit and they require you to put one of those on site. That's probably what it is.